Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but today we are on the Carnival Radiance. What I have for you is a room tour of the Stateroom 2252 and my overall review. I don't know what happened to my intro, so this is my intro. Hello. Overall, we were okay with it. We were a little bit hesitant because there was 3 adults that were going to be in the same room, and we didn't know what we were going to get, and we got lucky and got a bunk bed. So overall, we had a good experience with it, and for a 3-day cruise, we had a good time. But you'll see everything. I did do a review of before, during the trip, and then after the trip, so you can see a little bit of everything. So yeah, let's leave it to past Shirley to show you the room. Let's hear all about it. All right, as you walk in, you see this closet, and it opens like that. There's a plastic thing that I'm not sure what it's for. There is a safe. I've never used a safe on a cruise. Let me know if you have, but we've never used a safe. There is a hook here that you can put things in, and then your life vest. So that's nice. And then you have 2 other closets that open like this. You have this and then a full-size mirror. And then you have another one. And very similar, you have a backpack here, and then you have a fridge. And there's nothing in the fridge, so no water or nothing. But you do have a fridge, so that is nice. So we brought water bottles, so tip in your own water bottles. You do have to put a card here, so there is light, and then these are the buttons. Here is the bathroom. We haven't put anything in there, but you have some space there. It's quite big compared to what we had before on Carnival. And there is some space. We already swam, so you're gonna see our swimsuits. And there was big room, so this is a big bathroom compared to a lot of our cruises that we've been at. If you keep going, you will see more space here, more space there. You'll see some drawers. You'll see some burger things that, because we came in here and ate. This is already plugged in, so you just turn it on and blow dry your hair. So that's kind of nice. You'll have 2 empty drawers. I believe Kitty already put some stuff in there, so I'm not going to show you, but you have that. You have some towels, a mirror. You have regular plugs, and then depending if you're not from the US, you do have these plugs as well. And you have more storage over here, actually. So a little more storage there. You have a TV, and there's free movies. Right now we're watching The Internship on Kat's account, so thanks, Kat. You have a bed. We actually asked for 2 twins, but they're together. But Kitty and I have shared before, so it's not a big deal. And Kitty is sleeping, so we won't bother her too much. We'll just get really close. But there she is. And the lights right there go mild or really dark.
You want to see?
Yeah, let's do it. So mild. Somewhat mild.
Well, that one's on.
Oh.
You have these little ones that have light right here.
Nice.
And then if you turn off that one, then it goes all
Then
dark.
it goes really dark. And there is these little cubbies. I don't know that I will use them, honestly. It's 3 days, so I don't know that I want to pack that much. There is 3 full-grown adults here. As you can see, we have a bunk. And in the bunk, you'll see my brother. How's the cushion?
It's good.
Good so far. We will check in with him in a couple of days and see if it's, sturdy. It is a smaller room. As you can see, I'm coming to the corner. I just touched the wall, and this is it. This is the room right here. So we'll check in with you in a couple of days and see our final thoughts, things that we think you should bring. We met our person. He was really nice. But we'll see. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Again, we're in room 2252, and we booked it for 3 adults. We are on day 2, and the room has just been made, so I wanted to show you what it looks like after we lived in it for a day and where we put our stuff. So again, here's the closet. We did not use this one because it has the safe, so nothing there. In this one, it's just really my shoes and drying stuff because we need to shower. And then this one is my brother's stuff. I don't know if there's anything that I shouldn't see. I'll censor it if there is. And the fridge we haven't used.
No, put your drinks in it, your stories.
That's true. All right, let's watch Brian do it. You can see how it's done. Not like this. He was showing you how not to do it first. So that's that. That's how we put that stuff. Here's the bathroom after it's been done. I feel like the cubby space in the bathroom is just fine, huh?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good considering the size. There's like 4 beds
4?
in here and 4 cubbies.
Yeah, the only thing is in the shower, most of it is me, so I apologize,
Yeah,
but
it is you.
but it 4 things and Kitty has 1 and Brian has none. And I feel like when I was showering, it kept trying to fall. Then you have the temperature, which we haven't messed with, but I think Kitty, you said it was already.
At the lowest,
Yeah.
Which, it's not very cold in here.
No, but it was fine when we slept. But I did take off my blanket at some point and just
and
like.
I had my foot up. But then I got a bug bite.
Yeah, I got a bug bite too.
What's it for bed, bud?
This is my brother's bunk. I don't know that we showed you what it looked like with the bunk, but that's what it looks like. Kitty fits just about right. She's only hit herself 3 times.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then she has her stuff here. Again, I'll censor if I notice anything. And then there's some hooks there. And then Kitty bought some hooks, like magnetic hooks, and that's how Brian's holding on to his hat and stuff. Brian, how was the bed?
It was fine. It was comfy.
For an adult?
Adult my size, cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think if you were a little bit, like, I don't know, 10 years older
If I was
or...
a 6'5" short king, I wouldn't be able to.
So would my husband fit in it or like it? Yeah.
No, not with this.
Yeah, I feel like he would be constricted. And then this is a mess. So this is just real like cruise living. It's a mess. But all of the dishes left, which is nice. And then you have, I took this cubby. We gave my brother that cubby. We haven't used these, or did you, Kitty?
My dirty clothes are in there.
Okay, so I want to show you this one. Anything here?
No, that's my dirty clothes.
Oh, anything here?
That's the hairdryer.
Oh, the hair dryer. I think I showed it to y'all yesterday. It's plugged in already. I won't turn it on, but it's plugged in and ready to go. And there's papers that we did not read. Anything here?
No, not that I know of.
Oh, towels.
Oh, those are towels.
Because they were on there.
On top, yeah. There is a little ottoman, a trash can. Again, mess, 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 mess. And then I put my suitcase here. And yeah, how was our bed?
It was fine.
And we're different types of sleepers. I wake up really early. Kitty doesn't. Did you notice when I got up and stuff? So. I feel like you woke up a couple times.
I woke up a couple of times, but I think that was just like I woke up at 6 because that's when he had woken up like previously this week. So, and then I was like, no, this is too late. I think I asked you.
You literally said that, yeah.
And I was like, okay.
You like premonitioned it because you were yesterday. You said, "Oh, if you wake me up at 7 and it's 7, I want to go back to sleep." And actually, that ended up happening. And there's these little cubbies. I use it for my PJs.
And my shoes are
and
mine.
yeah, but yeah, that's it.
What's in that one?
Any? Oh yeah, I think it's just shelves. But again, we're not using it. He put the plastic thing in there. But I just feel like they're inconvenient because I would have to be like.
I mean, shoes would be a good place for shoes too.
Yeah. And then TV, there's some free movies, not a lot. There's some like purchase movies, not a
You don't want
lot.
to stay in the size room.
Like a lot. So yeah. So that's our update so far. We'll do one more of just like when we disembark, final thoughts. But yeah, we're disembarking. Overall room, we thought it was fine. Yeah, roomy. We were talking about the temperature because we all felt it differently. Brian thought it was perfect. Kitty thought it was fine.
Is that
except
too
for
hot
cold
or
today.
too cold?
Yeah,
Depending.
yeah, like I feel like some nights I would wake up and take the blankets off, and then a couple hours later I would like put them back on.
Yeah.
And you don't really have a regulation on it because it's already like set to the
Lowest.
yeah. So yeah. Other than that, fine.
Yeah, I think 4 people would be a little bit
Pushing it a little bit. Yeah. 3's okay. We found a way to do it.
Yeah.
But 4,
You
yeah.
gotta watch your head if you're
You
on the bottom.
have to watch it. Kat, how many times did you hit your head?
I think 6 or 7.
Yeah, one of them was also a concussion.
Oh yeah, it was a little bit bad.
it was a straight up, I'm coming up. Yeah.
I think I thought I was out here, and normally I'm just like on the bed, and then I like went to go. That's my reenactment.
pretty accurate.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm like, what's the noise?
Yeah, I hit hard.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the mini fridge. But yeah, I hope
My Coke.
Oh jeez.
Thanks, Brian.
We're cleaning the room right now, making sure we didn't miss anything. Let me know if you have any questions about this number or about 3 grown adults in a room or anything like that. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, adios.